Hey, what's going on YouTube? My name's Carl and welcome back to the channel. Tonight we're going to do something a little different. We're going to be doing an unboxing video and we're going to be unboxing my Saddlemen Road Sofa LS seat for the 2021 Indian Challenger. Now I opted to have the stitching all done in red to match the red Challenger. So if you're ready to see what it looks like, because I know I am, let's do this. Alright, you ready? Here we go. So alright, now we got that unboxed. We're going to take it out of the bag and just set it on the stock seat so we can see what it looks like on the bike right now. Alright, bear with me. Seem to got the zip tied here, so we're just gonna cut that off. Or try to anyways. All right, there we go. Zip tie is off. So I don't know about you, YouTube, but I think that's going to look sweet once I get it mounted up. So that's the next step, is mounting it up. So now I need to take these side panels off. Got two of them, one on each side right here. They just pop off, and behind them there's two nuts or two bolts that hold the seat on, and then there's a stud back here that the seat slides on. So I'm going to go ahead and start taking the panels off and then show you the rest of this. Here we go. There's one. And there's the other one. And I believe that's a 6mm Allen bolt that holds that on. But I'm going to check and we'll see what it is. Alright, so yes, it's a 6mm Allen bolt that holds the seat on. There's two of them, like I said, one on each side. So we're going to go ahead and take those off right now. Alright, the bolts are off, so now what we're going to need to do is just kind of hit the seat so it slides off that stud there in the back. Kind of like that. And there we go. That's how you remove the seat on an Indian Challenger. I'm going to put that up out of the way because we're not going to need it for a long time. Probably never. As I just went to pick the seat back up, it looks like I have the replace this stud and cap here with this new riser and this washer to fit the way the Saddlemen seat fits on there. So we'll go ahead and get that taken care of now. So to show you the difference here, this is the stock spacer with the washer on top. It's kind of beefy. But now this new one, the spacer's the same height, but the washer is a little smaller. So see, now we're going to use the stock bolt that I took out and just replace it. So let's get that going. So there we go, we got this ready to go. Now I'm just going to install back in the stock location and we'll be ready to put the seat on. Alright, now before I put that seat back on, I'm going to wipe down that fender a little because it's kind of dusty and dirty. Alright, so now we're getting ready to put the new road sofa seat, the Saddlemen Road Sofa seat, on the Indian Challenger. So sit back, relax, crack open a cold one, and let's see what this looks like. Just trying to get it to where I can line up those bolt holes. I think we should be able to put the bolts back in. Still got to make it go a little bit more. So just a second. It just needs a little more friendly persuasion, shall we say. So now I should be able to put the bolts back in. Oh yeah, there. That helped a lot. And you want to be careful of, not hitting your bags. I probably could have took the bags off. Or at least open the bag lid. Like that, see? Like I said, we're doing something new. All right, let's get those side panels on and see how this bike looks all together now. All right. All right, here we go. This is what the seat looks like on the bike now. Yeah, I really like that. I like how that turned out. So yeah, now I need to put the backrest together, and then we'll put that in and see how it looks. And then after that, I'm going to put my sissy bar back on and see how the bike looks all together. All right, I got the seat rest back together. I could have showed you how it went, but I thought it was going to be easier than it was, and it's a little pain, so we just skipped that part. So we'll just come over here and got this slit right here. Now, if you decide you want to get a road sofa seat and you're not sure about the backrest, you're going to have to decide if you want it, because once you order it without the backrest, you can't get that option anymore. And it looks like I put it on backwards. So let me step over to the workbench, flip it around, and we'll get this done the right way. Maybe. Actually, looking at it, I did have it the right way. I was just trying to put it in the wrong way. Of course. You know. So there we go. The road sofa seat with the matching backrest. And now I'm going to go get my sissy bar and put it on and show you the total package. But first, let me open up my saddlebag lids so I can put the sissy bar on without worrying about scratching the bike. So here's my sissy bar, the Excalibur from Suicide Choppers out of Sioux City, Iowa. We're going to see if this actually fits. So it looks like I'm going to have to take the seat off to put the sissy bar back on and then bolt the seat back down. Of course. Alright, now I'm going to take the seat off again, put my sissy bar on, and we'll get to it. And if you're wondering about my shirt, still the same day. Got super hot in here, had the heaters on in the garage, it's up to 67 degrees. And this is a perfect example of what happens when you just do stuff on the fly, don't even test fit, see if it's going to work the way you think it's going to work for your video. Just doing this all unscripted, just going at it. Alright, we'll try this again. Got the seat off. Now we'll go put this big, beefy beast of a sissy bar on. Okay. Well, sissy bar's on. Now let's see if this seat fits the way I hope it does. Well, looks like we're going to have to take the luggage rack off the sissy bar for now. Then put the seat on and then put my luggage rack back on. Trial and error, people. It's all in the name of fun, right? Alright, now to find the right sized wrench. Alright, now that I've found the proper sized Allen bolt wrench to take off these bolts for the luggage rack, we'll try this again. Okay, got that off. Now let's see if we can get this seat where it needs to go. So look at that. Perfect. All right. So now I'm going to tighten the seat back down. Double check it. We're going to put the sides on. Then I'll put the luggage rack back on my sissy bar. And we'll be good to go. All right. Everything looks lined up. Gonna put the bolts back in for the seat. Then we'll put the side panels back on, and then I'm gonna mount the luggage rack back on the sissy bar. Like I said before, don't forget to open the saddlebag lids so you don't smack it with the wrench like I was doing. So what do you guys think so far? I'm totally digging it. Now put that luggage rack back on. Open the saddlebags so I don't bang it up. Because I'm sure there's a chance that would happen. As you just saw right there. Okay. Make sure I got this all lined up right. And I don't. Okay, there we go. And of course I drop the bolt. Let's try this side first. That's what we do here, folks. We all make mistakes, right? Alright, welcome back. I got the other side on, so hopefully this one goes on a little bit smoother than that side did. Okay, so for the sake of the internet and saving y'all from watching me fumble around with this, I finally got the screw started, or the bolt started on this side. So I'm going to finish up, tighten it up, and we'll be good to go. All right, there we go. Oh, let me put the backrest back on. Then we'll be totally complete. All right, there you have it, folks. The Saddlemen Road Sofa LS on the 2021 Indian Challenger. Now, you're probably wondering what LS stands for. That stands for this style of stitching that they have here, where it's a lattice work with the double stitches and the diamond pattern. I don't know about you guys, but I really dig my bike. I thought it was really cool before, but now it's just totally the way I wanted it. Hey, welcome back. We're finished with the install, so you know what that means? It's beer time. So yeah, had a couple issues, you know, dropping the bolts, the sissy bar and the seat, not quite working together, but we were able to, you know, figure that out. And now that it's all back together, I think the bike looks really cool. I thought it was looking cool before, but I'm really digging the way my bike looks now. Hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, hit that like button, because that helps. And subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Hit the bell for notifications so you know we upload a new video, and we'll see you again. Thank you.